Hey guys, thank you and welcome back to my channel, Abby's Home Kitchen, and happy holidays to you all out there. On today's video, I'm showing you how I made this non-alcoholic strawberry margarita. And what I'm using here is some coconut water, some lemon juice, and some strawberry. Thank you so much guys for your support. If you're just joining us on this channel, you're most welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to add all these ingredients and I'll just blend it all together. So my strawberry has already been washed and I just cut them into bits. And next, I'm going to be squeezing 1 lemon juice. And I'm adding the coconut water. So guys, this strawberry margarita it's a non-alcoholic, and that means it can be enjoyed by all family members, including young kids. It's something you can substitute for, other beverages. You can use it, especially during this festive season. So I'm going to blend this all together till it is smooth. And here it goes. So I'm just going to turn that into my glass cup and serve as I choose. So guys, like I said earlier, this is a simple recipe. It can be enjoyed by adults, by young children, especially during this festive season. You can always garnish it any way, serve it, add some ice, and enjoy it. And I do hope that you guys enjoy my videos. Please, if you do not forget to click the like button. Also share your comments, your thoughts, your ideas. How else would you prepare yours? I would like to know that in the comments section. And also guys, if you love my videos, always share with family members. And if you have not subscribed yet, do not forget to click that subscribe button, and also remember to click the notification bell so that you can always be the first to get a new video I post. I'll see you next time. Until then, enjoy yourself this holiday. Thank you and goodbye.